Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change for dy over dx. Next, we need to multiply both sides by dx. So I will put about m equals to this one and n equals to this one. So we have the x. That means we need to do first derivative of m with respect to y. So we have this one and this one. So first derivative of y to the power of 4. We have 4y to the power of 3. This one that is about cosine y. So we simplify and we have like this. Next, we have dy. That means we need to do first derivative of n with respect to x. So we just do first derivative of this one and this one. Because we don't have x, so you got number 0. So we simplify and we have like this. So we can see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. So we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I select about this one. And we have 3sy. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one we keep the same. Now we need to do first derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one we have 4y to the power of 3. The next one we have cosine y. So if we simplify this one, we have 20. And we know that this one equals to this one. So if we simplify for the both sides, this is number 3. So if we simplify for the both sides, we have like this. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides. And this one we have like this. Now we go back in here. So this one I simplify. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to this one. And fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.